Hey man, I know you're ambidextrous, but curious. Tighten now! Come on, do it! Get off! Do it now! Man, you're really cranking it, huh?
Oh, you know it. I'm a professional cranker. Let's readjust here for just a moment.
Just a moment.
Go spin my diddly.
Oh yeah, give it a spin.
Almost there. See what we're doing here, kids. We're spinning the diddly in order to catch onto the next tooth. Krem's tooth. What in the hell have I done?
Are you spinning the wrong way?
Why she ain't locking now?
It's not even focusing. What the hell?
She ain't even locking. I spun it too much, kids. Never go full spin.
Ah man, hold on. We can switch off if you want.
Yeah, it's probably for the best. Gonna throw out my throwing
Should we
shoulder.
grab like a towel or something? Is that thing still fucking soaked?
Oh, it's still soaked.
Let me grab a towel real quick.
Where's Noah? He can do it.
Man, he's taking a smoke break.
Alright, well, he's grabbing a towel. I guess one-man filming crew. Oh, this is high-quality content right here. Oh, Lord.
Here I come.
Give me my exhaust back, you bastards! Wait, I think we're through.
Oh, really?
In at least one spot.
We didn't hear it pop the way it did the first time,
Oh, my God.
My bad. Hit the camera there. Whoops.
No respect.
I'm taking notes from Noah. Oh, this gotta be off. But I'm telling you, oh. It's just spinning now. Like, there you go.
Want me to hit it with a hammer?
I'll give it a couple more tugs, as they say. Oh,
Just pull one off real quick.
Oh God!
Oof,
This is.
oof, I think we're
I
good.
think I'm through.
I think you're through, bud. All right, yeah, you're through.
Yeah, definitely through. All right, loosen this bitch. It's probably gonna be hot as hell again.
Oh, I would imagine. Dude, just cut through some pipe, some steel.
Hot.
And there you have it. That is the easiest way to cut off your exhaust because we ain't fucking with that.
First video.
Hit ass.
And we're live. What are we doing here? E-brake.
Breaking my car.
Oh shit.
Yeah, except
Okay, you'll be able to clear that.
You got it. Oh.
it's not going up anymore. It's really hard to jag. We're stuck on something. I don't just want to keep pulling. I know 50's kid took off these mounts that attach the motor mounts to the motor. Maybe that's what we need to do. Is it not coming off the motor mounts? Okay, we're gonna have to do some jiggling. Coming down. Oh, shit. Can you show the light down there a little bit? See the motor mount. Hopefully now. Not moving. What are we caught up on now?
What's it going on?
Huh?
What's it we can lift it
Yeah.
up to us, I mean.
The motor?
Yeah.
I don't have anything to grab onto. Feels pretty free.
Is that Troy?
So anyway. Just afraid to wiggle it or shake it around too much of the car. Jackson.
All right. Line there. Hold on.
Left?
You guys let me know.
Alright, keep going. Keep going.
Alright, let's go bite.
This bitch is out!
Let's go bite. Oh! Oh, 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 oh.
Lift up, lift up.
Lift up. Woo-wee!
No one to stop.
Oh, we're good. Come back.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh, she a thickie.
She's free.
All right.
Hey, give me that block.
Yeah.